Hello everyone. As we all know the situation today, how badly the countries are suffering from this global pandemic. It's very important to ensure that after this pandemic gets over, everything should be secure and must be viewed strictly in terms of health parameters of peoples. To make it possible, we came with the solution that will 100% ensure that whoever entering to your premises is free from all kinds of viral and bacterial infections. Introducing the self-check kiosk. As states loosen social distancing regulations and businesses begin to open under our new normal, both employees and customers want to be assured of a safe and healthy environment. This product uses the principle of UVC radiation cleaning for the materials, and in the meantime, it records the two critical parameters of human being which are essential for surveillance checkup, that are temperature level and oxygen level. Based on these two critical parameters, one can easily ensure whether to make that person enter or not. It also follows with the sanitization of hands and complete sanitization of the bags of material which is carried by him or her. This whole process is touch-free. Not only this, it also records the data of these critical parameters along with the face of the particular person. This data available can be shared over the specific private or government server, cloud. You can also integrate this data with any app if you want, or with the attendance management software if required. A simple kiosk which monitors and collects the data for further action as the need of the time. This solution is need of the hour. It can be installed at various public places, for example, office areas, schools, community buildings, restaurants, hotels, malls, hospitals, railway station, airports and so forth, for the open well-being and public safety. I hope you like our solution. Looking forward to helping you. Till then, stay safe and healthy.